लड़कियों से बात करने से आप डरते हैं, लड़कों से बात करने से आप डरते हैं, you just don't have the confidence to talk about your work, well then this episode is for you. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and a big hello. Today we're talking about confidence in Mindful Mondays. Now most people think कि जो लोग extroverts होते हैं are basically confident and the ones who are introverts are basically not confident. Science proves it otherwise. In fact, the extroverts go out of their way to make everyone believe that they're confident. But if you chat with them further, you'll realize they actually do not have self-belief. While the introverts, the soft-spoken, quiet ones, उनमें ज़्यादा self-belief होता है. So if you are the introverted, soft-spoken beings, not to worry. Confidence is a wonderful skill that you can learn. Again, लोगों को लगता है कि people are born with confidence. Look at that actor. उस singer को देखो, इस businessman को देखो. They are so confident. They love talking about their work. They just simply talk about their ideas anywhere. But the truth is, confidence is not a quality that you're born with. Confidence is just a skill, a talent that you can learn. जिस तरह आप मेकअप करते हैं या आप कंप्यूटर सीखते हैं या खाना बनाना सीखते हैं, in the same way आप कॉन्फिडेंस सीख सकते हैं. Why is it कि लोग डरते हैं किसी से बात करने के लिए या अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में किसी को अप्रोच करने के लिए? Because people are just always nervous कि लोग हंसेंगे. They're nervous of being let down. They're nervous of hearing a no. Firstly, rejection को personally क्यों लेना? Rejection is just a matter of choice. अगर आज मेरा मन कर रहा है चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम खाने का, तो वनीला आइसक्रीम को लगेगा क्या मैंने उसे रिजेक्ट किया? So in the same way, we have to tell our beautiful mind, let's not take rejection personally. It's just a matter of choice. The second reason, why is it that you get scared if people will laugh? अरे वो लड़की जा रही है उससे बात करूँ रहने दो. अरे वो लड़का जा रहा है उससे मुझे बात करनी है. हाँ रहने दो. Oh my goodness, my investor. I really need the money for this project. Let me go and talk to him. रहने दो. Why does the fear stop us? Well, it's not the fear. It's actually the negative thought patterns that have become a habit. They've become so loud in your brain and in your mind कि आपको सिर्फ वही सुनाई देते हैं. That's why when you actually need to take action, वो आपको कहते हैं कुछ नहीं करना, डरते रहना. And that's why we lose confidence. So basically, confidence is all about never giving up, always showing up, always putting your hand up and saying, "Teacher, can I answer please?" So let's learn how can we build confidence in our lives. First, attack the brain when it's thinking negative thoughts. Negative thoughts become a habit. So you need to now form a habit of jolting your brain every time you start to think negative thoughts. And they could be any kind of negative thoughts. For example, you're sitting in a meeting and listening to your boss. Suddenly, boss बात कर रहा है और आपका दिमाग और ध्यान कहीं और चला गया है. I don't think my boss likes me. Why was my husband so extra happy this morning? Immediately tell yourself, "Hey Raga, stop the negative thinking because this will become a habit." Now what you've done is you've jolted your brain, especially the basal ganglia. This is the part of the brain that actually houses all the negative habits. And now you've brought the focus back to the prefrontal cortex where you can now affirm positive thoughts. So second, affirm with a powerful positive body language posture. Now, science research says that a high-powered body language posture actually decreases stress and decreases fear. So every time you affirm something positive, ध्यान रखिए, to stand tall, chin up, chest out and say, I am positive, I am fearless, I am brave. And science research कहता है कि when you're nervous, and when you're excited, the body symptoms are the same. How exciting! That means उसी तरह आपका forehead starts to sweat. Your mouth gets dry. You start to pace. You get very, very anxious but excited as well. So next time you're fearful and nervous, just affirm, I'm not nervous. I'm just nervously excited because science proves it. Third, form the habit of being fearless. of feeling brave. हमें आदत बनानी पड़ेगी to be brave. So now, how do we build this habit of being confident? Well, by doing 3 things daily that make you feel brave, that make you feel fearless. It could be as silly as, hey, I'm really nervous about cooking. I'm going to cook today. I'm really nervous about that roller coaster ride. चलो उस roller coaster ride पर जाएंगे. Actually मुझे अपने ex-boyfriend को फ़ोन करके sorry बोलना है. I'm going to make that call because I'm so nervous. Just do it. Just nosedive and be confident. Be fearless. Because you know what? What is life without confidence? You are brilliant, and the world needs to know how brilliant you are because you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you feel. Good luck.